Algorand cost truly equivalent to $0.1510 a coin in an essentially huge manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.1498 0.1524, which generally is very critical. The earlier day close, 0.1504 in an unobtrusive way. The change really was plus 0.0006, plus 0.40%, which in a real sense is very huge. Backwards rate, USD to ALGO, exhibiting that really opposite rate, USD to ALGO, which in a real sense is very critical. Algorand value expectation in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 29. Cost $0.15, essentially greatest 0.16, fundamentally least 0.14, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, May 30. Cost $0.15, greatest 0.16, genuinely least 0.14, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.15, for the most part greatest 0.16, extremely least 0.14 in a significant way. Algorand figure on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.14, genuinely most extreme 0.15, kind of least 0.13, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.14, greatest 0.15, certainly least 0.13 in a for the most part huge manner. In multi-week Algorand conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.14, genuinely most extreme 0.15, especially least 0.13 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, in every practical sense, least 0.13 in a huge way. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.14, especially most extreme 0.15, especially least 0.13, which in every practical sense is very critical. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.14, truly most extreme 0.15, lovely least 0.13, which sort of is very huge. Algorand gauge on Friday, June 9, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, sort of least 0.12, which sort of is very huge. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $0.13, genuinely most extreme 0.14, in every way that really matters, least 0.12 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.13, lovely greatest 0.14, least 0.12, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.13, genuinely greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12. Algorand figure on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.13, especially greatest 0.14, sort of least 0.12 in a kind of significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, least 0.12 in a by and large significant manner. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $0.13, kind of most extreme 0.14, genuinely least 0.12 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.13, truly most extreme 0.14, especially least 0.12, which truly is genuinely critical. Algorand figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.13, all things considered, greatest 0.14, most certainly least 0.12 in a by and large significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.13, truly most extreme 0.14, beautiful least 0.12, so Algorand figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.13, sort of greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $0.12, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11 in a sort of significant manner. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $0.12, genuinely greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11 in an extremely significant way. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.12, really most extreme 0.13, essentially least 0.11 incredibly. USD to ALGO swapping scale exceptionally equivalent to 6.6225 coins per $1, or so they really thought. Today, S reach 6.5617 minus 6.6756, exhibiting that Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.14, especially most extreme 0.15, genuinely least 0.13 in a significant way. The past day, S nearby 6.6489, showing how Algorand gauge on Friday, June 9, cost $0.13, kind of greatest 0.14, beautiful least 0.12 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now 0.0264, 0.40% incredibly. USD to ALGO cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which basically is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 29, cost 6.667 coins. Genuinely greatest 7.143, sort of least 6.250 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 6.667 coins. Kind of greatest 7.143, fundamentally least 6.250, which basically shows that SD to ALGO conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 6.6225 coins per $1. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 31, cost 6.667 coins, especially most extreme 7.143, exceptionally least 6.250, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 7.143 coins, sort of most extreme 7.692, essentially least 6.667, or so they especially thought. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 7.143 coins, beautiful greatest 7.692, lovely least 6.667, showing how Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.12, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.13, exceptionally least 0.11, which generally is very critical. In multi-week USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 7.143 coins, truly greatest 7.692, in every practical sense, least 6.667, which in a real sense shows that Algorand value forecast for. In the not-so-distant future and month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $0.15, certainly most extreme 0.16, especially least 0.14, which by and large is very critical. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost 7.143 coins, fundamentally greatest 7.692, kind of least 6.667, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 7.143 coins, beautiful most extreme 7.692, certainly least 6.667, sort of additional appearance how Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.15, genuinely greatest 0.16, in every practical sense, least 0.14 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Thursday,